First of all, I want to say thank you for giving to the annual United Way campaign this year, especially Vina. You guys are a great partner, not just by giving, but also by being one of our affiliate organizations. So I have all of the pledge forms in here. You guys were the first to be drawn for our early bird, and that means one of you will be receiving a $500 gift card, a Visa gift card to be used, whatever. You can use it to do Christmas gifts, bills, or maybe save up for a trip that one day that you guys can go on safely and have a great time. So like I mentioned, I put all of the pledge forms in here. I'm just gonna kind of shuffle around and then just pick one out of there. I have a funky last name, so if you have a funky last name, I apologize if I'm not gonna say that correctly. So let's do a kind of little quick countdown. 3, 2, and 1. This is, I think, Kit Chase or Catherine Chase.
Yes. Yes, thank you, Mallory.
Yeah, so awesome. So we will have Angela come pick up the gift card, and then you'll be good to go and have $500. So congratulations, and thank you again for everyone donating this year.
Thanks, Mallory. And you did very well with her name.
Okay, great.
All right. Well, thank you very much. We love working with United Way. We are very thankful to have you partner with us. You are very helpful, and I know that the patients benefit from everything that United Way does for us, our patients, and the hospice home.
Yeah, thank you. All right. Well, congratulations again to Kit Chase, and go out there and spend some money on the end of the year, whatever you want to do it on.
Have a great day. Thanks.
Bye.